Inside this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money on WarriorPlus. And as you can see on the screen right now, I've made over $3,000 with the WarriorPlus platform. Most of this earnings coming within the last 30 days of this video. And I'm going to show you the exact method that I'm using to earn this kind of income with WarriorPlus step by step. And the best part is you don't need a website, you don't need any social following to start out, and you don't need any experience for this method. I'm about to show you step by step how to make money with WarriorPlus, but before I do, go ahead and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's go ahead and jump inside this training. So first step in order to make money with WarriorPlus is we need to find a high converting offer that has high conversion rates, meaning that it is converting on the front end of the offer. So if say we send about 10 people to that offer, maybe 3 of those 10 people are buying that product, that would be considered a very good conversion rate at 30%. Also, you need to pick out a product that has been getting thousands of sales, because that means that the product is popular and people are going to be interested in this product or the topic that the product is talking about. Lastly, we need a big EPC, which is earnings per click. So that means every single time you send a visitor to that affiliate link, you're going to be getting a certain amount of money from that earnings per click. And we're looking for something along the lines of about $3 would be a great earnings per click. So in order to find a high converting offer on WarriorPlus, you're going to go ahead and just sign up for a free WarriorPlus account if you haven't done that already. And then we're going to go to affiliate and click on offers. And that's where we're going to find all of the products, and it's going to give us tons of different stats that we can look at to determine whether or not these products are going to be good for us to promote. So first off, let's go ahead and scroll down, and right off the bat, this is actually sorted by the pulse, which means the popularity of the different products at this current time. If I scroll down, I'm looking for products that have more than 1,000 sales, a big earnings per click, and a good conversion rate. So right off the bat, I see that this Lifehost has really high sales, a great conversion rate, and then it also has a great earnings per click. But that's hosting, and we don't really want to promote hosting. We want to promote make money online products for this method. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I see right here Go News has over 1,000 sales. It has 15% conversion rate and $3.74 for the earnings per click. So this one right here, right off the bat, already matches our criteria for a good product to promote with WarriorPlus. So what I would do from here is I would go ahead and click on this product. We would open it up and we would request approval. Now, when you start requesting approval and you haven't gotten any sales for this affiliate network, what you're going to want to do is you're going to tell them what you're going to be doing with this method and how you're going to be promoting it, so they know that you're not going to be sending any kind of spammy traffic their way to that offer. So I like to go along the lines of just saying, hey, I want to promote this product for you, and I'm going to be doing it using social media. I'm going to be sending high value traffic your way, and you can expect high earnings per clicks from my traffic. So there's not going to be any spammy traffic coming your way, and you can trust that I will be sending you good traffic. Say something along those lines. It's really going to help you get approved for your affiliate links when you're just starting out. And just to show you what I'm talking about, this is exactly what I would put inside of the apply box. I would say, hello, I will be promoting product by leveraging social media and SEO. You can expect high quality traffic and no spam from my traffic. So that's exactly what I would put, and it really worked out well for me when I was a beginner affiliate on WarriorPlus. Now that you've been approved for a few offers and you know exactly what to look for to find a high converting offer on WarriorPlus, now it's time to get traffic to those links so we can start making affiliate sales. And one of the best ways that hardly anybody is using to promote WarriorPlus products is using traffic on Twitter. I have been doing this for the last couple of months, and as you can see earlier in the video, I've been making over $3,000 within about a month and a half, and that has all come from Twitter traffic. So it is a great source of traffic for promoting WarriorPlus products. And if you keep watching this video, I'm going to show you step by step my tactics and my secrets for getting traffic to my tweets and getting affiliate sales. First thing you need to know about making money with affiliate marketing using Twitter is you need to grow your account to a base of about 250 to 500 followers. And that's going to be really good because that's going to give you that solid foundation so you can move from there and grow your account further. Now, the best way to grow your account so you can get people to see your your affiliate links is by commenting. And I recommend commenting about 30 times every single day, which can seem like a lot, but actually in reality, it will grow your account super, super fast. And I grew my account to 1,000 followers in 20 days doing just commenting. So it's definitely possible. I recommend that you only target niched accounts. So you want to comment on other accounts that talk about making money online, talk about side hustles, and talk about affiliate marketing. That's the best way that you're going to get the correct followers that you need in order to promote your product to people who are actually going to buy from you. Now, when it comes to commenting, there's two different ways to comment, and one of them is absolutely wrong, and you never want to do this type of commenting. And that's just saying a few words like great advice, thanks. What you want to do is you want to take the content of the tweet and then expand on that content, like I did here at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, I said, if people can learn from you, relate to you, and earn from you, they will become your fans. So essentially what I'm doing is what I like to call a comment that's also a tweet. So it's a comment that could stand alone as a tweet on its own, and that's the best way to grow an audience, because people are going to see that comment, and most likely your comment is going to get a bunch of likes, and then it's going to be at the top of the comments underneath those big accounts' tweets, and then people are going to click on your profile and go over there and start following you and clicking on your affiliate link that's going to be in the bio of your Twitter account. That's how all this commenting stuff works. Now let's talk about how do you actually sell and get affiliate commissions using Twitter with 3 different types of tweets that really sell your affiliate link. And those are result tweets, value threads, and then bonus tweets. Those are all 3 really good ways to promote products on Twitter. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So as you can see on the screen here, this is a results tweet. So at the beginning of the tweet, I like to say something along the lines of, hey, want to learn how I did X in affiliate commissions? And this is a true statement. So if you've only made like $100 in affiliate commissions, then say you've only made $100 in affiliate commissions. Don't stretch the truth. I have made over 6,000 in affiliate commissions using WarriorPlus, and then I go ahead and I tell them exactly how I did it using this course that I'm promoting is called the Breakout Code. I tell them the price of the course, and then I say, and you also get my personal affiliate course for free as a bonus. And that's just more incentive for them to click on that link and to go over and check out that offer. And then I also like to use the finger pointing down, the arrow, to direct their eyes to the link so that they're clicking the link before they scroll past it on the Twitter feed. Another great way to get affiliate sales using Twitter is to do value tweets or value threads. And this is exactly how it works. So I like to create a thread, which is 2 or more tweets. And then I like to start off with giving some kind of advice in regards to affiliate marketing. And then I like to link my affiliate link down below underneath that tweet. And then that allows me to get a whole lot more eyeballs on that tweet, because they'll click on the tweet if they're interested in reading more, and they'll see my affiliate link on the bottom. So in order to do that, I like to give some value in the top tweet. So I like to say 3 reasons to start affiliate marketing, and I like to do the bullet point format for my tweets. And then after that, I wait about 5 minutes after I have sent off that tweet, and that allows the tweet to get some traction before I post the link underneath that tweet. And when I do that, I like to say, want to learn how to do X with affiliate marketing? Hey, start this challenge right here. I took it, and then I have this kind of results from this challenge. You can get it here for only $7. So once again, you can see that same format that I'm using. I'm piquing their interest with a hook, and then I'm telling them what exactly got me the results. So what course I took in order to get the results. And then I tell them exactly how much it costs and where they can get it, which is the link down below. Lastly, I like to get affiliate commissions using what are called bonus tweets. And these are just tweets that go viral for me that really don't have any sort of purpose, that I like to add a bonus affiliate link to that viral tweet in order to get some more eyeballs on my affiliate link. So let me go ahead and just show you an example of this viral tweet that I had right here. 3 high income skills to learn in 2021, copywriting, affiliate marketing, email marketing. You'll never go broke. That had over 1,400 likes and over 336 retweets. So what I did is I saw that tweet going viral, and I said, okay, I want to take advantage of this. So what I did is I put my affiliate link to an email marketing course right here, and that actually made me quite a bit in commissions. I think I probably made over $100 just with this tweet alone. And all I did was take advantage of the virality of that tweet and made it a point to put my affiliate link underneath there, and it got tons more views on that affiliate link, and I was able to make commissions. If you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing step by step using Twitter and other platforms, go ahead and check out the link down below this video. It's going to give you access to my course, Affiliate Equation, for free when you pick up what is called the Breakout Code 2.0, which I find to be the next step in affiliate marketing. It's going to teach you how to build an email list, how to get traffic to that email list, and how to promote affiliate offers on the back end. So it's really the next step after you get traffic on Twitter to really scale your earnings and create a snowball effect so you can start making a full-time income with affiliate marketing. So check out that link down below this video. Make sure to click on the videos that are popping up on the screen now to learn more about affiliate marketing and earning income online, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future content. I'm David, and I will see you in the next video.